Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine children. So children, as you all know, we are learning multiplication and we have completed yesterday exercise number 4.6 and we have already learned yesterday that how to do multiplication by standard algorithm. Okay children, so today we are going to start our exercise number 4.7 children. So I welcome you all in this maths video class. So today date is 6 August 2021. This is your maths class and this is your class 3. Okay children. So today we are going to start our exercise number 4.7 and we are learning chapter 4, multiplication. Okay, multiplication, and this is exercise number 4.7 children. 4.7 we are going to do children. So children, let's start doing our exercise number 4.1. As you all know children, the concept of multiplication, and we have learned how to multiply by standard algorithm. So okay children, we are going to apply the same thing in our 4.7 number exercise, and after that, doing that, we will do the next concept, that is lattice algorithm. Okay, so before going to that, we will solve exercise number 4.7 children first. Okay, so let's start children. So our first exercise is multiply and fill in the boxes. And fill in the boxes children. Okay, multiply and fill in the boxes. The first we are going to do 24 multiply by 18, and here we will do block wise, we will start. So this is algorithm based we are going to do. Now here first we will tell the table of 8 4 times. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and 8 fours are 32. 32, so 2 we will write over here and 3 will be carry over. 8 twos are 16, 17, 18 and 19. The answer we will get 19. Now here 1 fours are 4. Now because this is 110, so that is why we will place over here 0 as we have done in our earlier chapter also. 1 fours are 4 and 1 fours are 4 and 1 twos are, children, here you can see 1 twos are 2. Okay, so here 2 will be answer. 9 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 1 will be carry over, 2 and 1 is 3 and 1 is 4. So answer we will get 432 is the answer. So first you just do this, and after that we will do next question, that is second number question that I am going to do over here. This we have completed. Now we are going to do exercise 4.7 second number question. 32 multiply by 26 children. Okay, so first of all we have to tell the table of 6 2 times. 6 twos are 12 and 1 will be carry over. 6 threes are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. 18 and plus 1 is 19 children. Now here again this is tens, so that is why we will write over here 0. 2 twos are 4 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is, here you can see 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now here we will write 640. This is the answer. Now we will add 2, we will write 9 9 and 4 10 11 12 13. 13 is the answer. 1 will be carry over. 6 and 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So children, here the answer is 832. 832 is the answer. So all of you write it down in your copy, 832. Now we are moving to do third number question that is written. I am going to write over here. So third number question is 57 multiply by 43. Okay. Now here children, 3 का टेबल हमें 7 times बोलना है, तो 3 7s are 21. 21 we are getting, so here we will write 1, 2 will be carry over, 3 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So 17 we will write over here. Now again this is 4 10, so that is why we will write 0 over here. 4 7s are. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. So 28 we will write over here 8 and 2 will be carry over. Okay. Now again 4 5s are. 5 4s are 20 children. 20 plus 2 is 22, so we will write 22 over here. Here you can see the answer 1, 8 and 7, 8 and 16 minus 1 is 15, 15 and 1 will be carry over, 3, 2 and 1 is 3 and 1 is 4 and here 2. So 2451 is the answer. 2451 is the answer children. So we have completed all 3 questions. So first of all you just write it down in your copy, and if you would like to write in the words, so you can write also in the words. So I am going to write the first one over here, 432. 432. Now the second one, 832. 32. And the third one is 2451. 51 children. Okay. So I think it is clear to you. Completed children. Okay. Write in words also. First is 432, second is 832 and third one is 2451. Completed children. Now we are moving to the next, that is multiply. Number 4 we are going to do. Okay. Number 4 we are going to write in the copy. First you just write down the question first, then we will do the answer. Okay. Now here children we are going to start number 4 multiply. Number 4 multiply, we are going to write 52 multiply by 14. So here 52 multiply by 14. 4 2s are 8 children and 4 5s are 20, so 208 we will get. Now 1 2s are 2, 0 we will write. Now 1 5s are 5 children. So here 8 we will write, then 0 plus 2 we will get 2. Now 5 and 2 we will get 7. So 728 we will get the answer children. So write it down children. This is your answer, 728. So we will write 728 children. Okay, this answer you will do. Now number 5 we are going to do over here. Number 5 is 89 multiply by 19. Okay, so here children we are going to start 89 multiply by 19. So here 9 9s are 9. If we will tell the table 9 9's table 9 times, so we will get 81. So 81, so we will write 1 over here, 8 will be carry over. 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 8, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, so 80 we will get. Okay, so here we will write 80. Now 9, we will write 0 over here. 1 9s are 9, 1 8s are 8. So here children 1 we will write equally over here. Now 0 and 9 when we will add we will get 9. Now here 8 and 8 is 16. Okay, so here 1691 is the answer. So we will write 1691. 1691 is the answer. So children, complete it. We have completed question number 4 and 5. So you just complete it. Now we are moving to do next question, that is question number 6 children. Okay, so complete it. Now we are going to do question number 6. 6 we are going to do children. The 6th number we will see 59 multiplied by 23. Okay. Now here 59 by 23, if we are going to multiply, so what we will get? 3 9s are. It means 3 9s are 27. So 27 we will write 7, 2 will be carry over. 3 5s are. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 16 and 17. Okay, so 9 2s are 18 children. We will write 0 over 18. 1 will be carry over. So here children we will write 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So here children you can write 7, 8 and 7. When we will add, what we will get? Here 8 and 7 children, what we will get? Now here children you can see 8 and 7, 15. 15 we will write 5 over here. 1 will be carry over. 1 and 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. Okay. So 1057. We will write 357. 57 children. Okay, 1357. This is the answer, children. So complete it. We have done this number 6. Now we are moving to do number 7, children. So 6 you just completed. Now we are going to do number 7. So here, children, you can see number 7. I am going to do number 7 over here. Okay. At number 7 you can see 49 multiplied by 58, children. 49 multiplied by 58. So how can we do? We just write it down, 49 and 58. So here 8 9s are 72, children. So 2 we will be right over here and 7 will be carry over. 8 4s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24 and 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7. So we will do 39. 39 we will get over here. So now 5 9s are 45. 5 we will write. 4 will be carry over here. So 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 is 24, children. Now here 2 we will be right. We will write over here. Then 9 and 5. 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 we will get. 1 will be carry over. 4 and 3 is 7 and 1 is 8. And now here 2. So 2842 is the answer. So we will write 2842. Two. 2842 is the answer. So children, complete it. We have completed 6 and 7 both. Now we are moving to do 8 number. So before that you should complete this. Okay. Now we are going to complete 7 number. 7 number we will do, children. Okay, 7 number we have completed. Now we are going to do 8 number. At 8 number you can see 82 multiplied by 98. Okay, so 82 multiplied by 98. Here we can see 8 2s are 16, 16. 1 will be carry over. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 64 and 1 is 65, children. Okay, and 9 2s are 18. Will be carry over 1. 9 8s are 72. 72 and 1 is 73. Okay, now here 6 we will write, and then 8 and 5. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 we will get. 1 will be carry over. 6 and 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 and 1 is carry over. So here 7 and 1 is 8. Okay. So answer is 8,036. 36, children. 8,036. This is your answer. 8,036. This is your answer, children. So complete it. We have done question number 8. Okay, of exercise number 4.7. So complete it. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 we are going to do, children. Now here children, we are moving to the number 9. Number 9 we are going to do, that is 146 multiply by 24. So here children, 146 we are going to multiply by 24. So how can we do? First we will start from ones place. So 4 6 are. So 4 6 are, you can see 24, 24 we will get 2 over here, 4 4s are, 4 4s are, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are, okay, so 4 4s are, okay, now just complete it. 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 18 here I am going to put over here 1. So 4 1s are 4, 1 is 5. Now again you can see 2 10s is there, so 2 6s are 12. So we will write 2 over here. When will we carry over? Okay. Now 2 4s are, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2. So we will see answer 4, 8, 2, 10 plus 1 over here, 9 and 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and this 15, 15, 5 will be over here, 1 will be carry over, 2 and 1 is 3. So here we will get answer 3504. So we will write 3000 500 and 504. Okay, 3504 children. So completed children. Okay, this we have done. Number 9 we have completed. 3504 children we have done children. You just now we are moving to do number 10. Okay, number 10 we will do. Number 10. Okay, number 10 is 172 multiplied by 28. Okay, so here we will do 172 multiplied by 28. So 8 2s are 16. Okay, 16, 1 will be carry over, 8 7s are. Now 8 7s are children. Tell me. 56 children. 56 plus 1 is 57 and 5 will be carry over. 8 1s are 8 and plus 5, 9 10 11 12 and 13. So 13 will be placed. Now here we will write 0, then 2 2s are, 2 2s are children 4. Now 2 7s are 14. We will write 4 over here. 1 will be carry over. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3 children. Okay. So we will write 6, 7 and 4, 11. 1 will be carry over. 4 and 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Now here what is left? So here 3 and 1 is 4. So 4816 is the answer. 4816 is the answer of number 10 children. Question number 10 we will get. So write the answer in words. 4816 . 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4  4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4,816. 4,816 is the answer. So completed, children. Number 10 we have done. Take a screenshot, and after that we will do number 11. Okay. So take a screenshot, children. Now we are going to do number 11. 11 we will do here. Okay. Number 11 we are going to do over here. So at number 11 it is written 241 multiplied by 32. Okay. So here 241 multiplied by 32. We will start. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and 2 twos are 4. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are, here you can see 12. 12 we will write 2, 1 will be carry over, 3 twos are 6, and 1 is 7, children. So here, children, you can see 0 and 2 we will write 2, 8 and 3, this is 11, 1 will be carry over here, 4 and 2 is 6, and 1 is 7, and now here 7. So here 7,712. So here we will write 7,712. So this is the answer. Just write it down in your copy. Okay. Number 11 we have completed, children. Now we are moving to do number 12. So completed, children. Take a screenshot. Now we are going to do number 12. For this I have to erase this. Number 12. Okay, number 12 we are going to do 414. 414 multiplied by 23. So we will write 414 multiplied by 23. So 3 fours are. Now here you can see 12. 12, 1 will be carry over. 3 ones are 3, 1 is 4. Now 3 fours are 12 again. So we will write 12. 2 fours are 8, children, 0 will be placed. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8, children. Okay. So here 2, here 8 and 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 1 will be carry over here. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will get the answer 9,522. 22, children. 9,522 is the answer, children. So all of you completed. 12 questions we have done today. Okay, children. So we will do more questions in our next video because we have to complete these exercises in the copies also. So first of all, you just write it down in your copy and complete it. All questions must be written in your copy. Okay, because these are the very important chapters of multiplication, or you can say these are the exercise, very important exercise of multiplication. Tomorrow we will do, children, 13, 14 and 15, and after that we will learn multiplication using lattice algorithm. Okay, the standard algorithm we have already done. So we will learn how to do in multiplication on the basis of lattice algorithm. Okay children, I hope this is clear to you. We have done these questions on the method of algorithm, standard algorithm, and after that we will learn how to do lattice algorithm. So it is also a very interesting way to do the multiplication. So children, I hope it is clear to you, and complete these exercises in your copy also as well as in the book. Okay, so we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care children.